Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. We're finishing off request week with a grilled sandwich. After watching my take on the Fat Elvis, Gregor Miller asked me to put together my version of a Monte Cristo. This is a classic sweet and savory French bistro sandwich where we're using French toast instead of the bread. So let's see what we're gonna need. Let's start with the bread. We need a hearty white bread such as sourdough or more traditionally brioche. This is actually my dinner rolls recipe shaped and baked into a loaf. Now if you'd like to see how I made this, the link to that video is at the end of this one as well as in the description box below. Let's see what else we're gonna need. Traditionally, this sandwich is made from ham, turkey, chicken, or a combination of the three, and Swiss cheese. I'll be using turkey and ham, and I did get this from the deli, although frequently this sandwich is made as a leftover for holiday meals. We'll also need Dijon mustard and butter. This does get dipped in a French toast egg wash, so let's see what we're gonna need for that. I'm using my French toast egg wash. Now this should coat 2 sandwiches. Lastly, when they come out of the pan, they get dusted with powdered sugar and topped with warmed red currant jelly or seedless raspberry jam. Let's put this sandwich together. This is a triple-decker sandwich, so we need 3 slices of bread. We start with Dijon mustard on the first slice. Then cheese, you can use as much as you like. Then meat, I'm starting with the turkey. Then on this middle slice, we're gonna coat both sides with butter. That'll help this sandwich stick together. More meat, this time it's the ham. More cheese. And Dijon on this. Now we can just put together our egg wash. All right, we're gonna wait to dip these sandwiches till we get over to the stove. We'll be cooking the sandwiches on a griddle in butter. This is over medium heat. I also have my sandwich press heating up. Now, if you don't have a sandwich press, you can use another heavy pan. Gregor Miller, I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. Let's give this a taste. I'm gonna dip mine in this jam. Oh yeah. Oh my heavens. Perfect. Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. We're finishing up. I can't remember the beginning. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.